Hey guys, I'm Yashashwini from First Step, Women Wing. Today I'm here to let you know the benefits of blood donation and why do we need to donate blood. Yeah, it's really important to know something we are going to do and we have to know about it. Today I'll let you know what is it about. One donor can help as many as 3 lives. That means one donation can save 3 needy people. And in any country, blood is required for every 2 seconds, and this indicates a huge and vast necessity for blood. And the most important point to be remembered, blood cannot be manufactured or just made up by a factory. It is going to be done through humanity, where a human has to help another human. And this is just a help that you can save a life, which is really great thing. Let me know what is blood donation. Blood donation is the only way where you can gain a lot through just giving a few. That's You're going to gain a lot of benefits for your physical health and mental health through just giving a few ml of your blood. That means you're helping yourself by helping others. This is really a great thing, right? Now let me know you what are the benefits of blood donation. Giving blood can reveal your potential health. That means you'll be having some problems in your body where you cannot identify in the initial state. And through this blood donation, as your blood passed, you'll be knowing in the earlier state, in the initial state, and you can rectify it earlier so that the problem won't get into the intense state. Giving blood can reduce your cancer cell count, which reduces the risk of suffering from cancer, and it also reduces the iron harmful stores. You know what does that it mean? Iron harmful stores will increase your risk of heart attacks. It increases the heart problems. Thereby, donating blood can reduce your risk of heart attacks and suffering from heart cardiac problems. And the most important thing, it's a report given by Mental Health Foundation that helping others can reduce your stress, which is nowadays most of the people going through depressions. Let me know you how. As your blood passes and a new blood is created through your RBCs, and a fresh blood is passed into your nervous system, which activates your cells and makes you emotionally stable and get rid of negative thoughts. They neutralizes your negative thoughts and you become active day by day and you become stable, and you won't again go to depressions and all. You'll obviously work for your life, which makes you healthier, stronger from inner and outside, and physical health and emotional health. And it keeps your liver so healthy that you won't get many problems, and if you get, you'll be rectifying it earlier. And yeah, how it's going to help you emotionally, I'm going to say this so clearly. As your cells get activated, as you get stronger from inside and outside, you'll get to a state of belonging and you get isolated, so that you won't go through a confusions and all. You'll be stable, you'll have the stabilities to handle anything, and just by giving your blood. So these are the benefits that we learned. But you have to know who are not supposed to donate blood. Everyone in this world are eligible. I mean, every adult is eligible for donating blood. But except those people who are suffering from these viruses, such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, West Nile virus, HIV, and syphilis. As these patients, their blood will be infected with virus, they cannot donate blood, so that their blood might infect other bloods, and this will be communicable, which is harmful. So people who are suffering from these viruses should not donate blood. Except them, every adult in this world can donate blood. It's just donating a few ml of blood, and that too you're gaining these many beneficial things. You have to think about it. Thank you.